Hi guys, today we are going to create a simple ADODC control for connecting the database and reading the record sets. So open the Microsoft Visual Basic, click File, New Project and click Standard AXE. In Standard AXE, the form will just maximize the forms. To create a label, click on this icon, drag and draw it. For the text box, click on this icon, drag and draw it. And for the comment button, click on this icon and drag and draw it. To change the label caption, so click on the label and the caption should be changed here. Register number, like that. To the whatever in the text box you want to clear it, so just click it and backspace. That thing it will clear. In command, click it and change the caption as new. See, as well as I change it, the caption will be changed here also. See, okay. Like this you want to do to create the labels for all other things. Friends, after creating the all labels, buttons and text boxes, the form of the design will be look like this. Once you finish the designing the form, the next part is to create the database. So to create the database, add in Visual Data Manager. Visual Data Manager, click File, New, Microsoft Access version 7.0. Here click the database name, for example new DB, and save it. Okay, under the properties, right click new table and give us table name. Table name will be new table. Okay, new table. This is the table name. Please keep in mind both table name and the database name. In field list, you want to just add the fields whatever you given in the labels. So add field. So then here register number and the type will be integer because that is number. So integer, click OK. As well as like this, you want to add the other fields whatever in the label list. After adding the all the fields, see the field list will be like this. You want to add this number, name, physics, chemistry, as I explained now. So after adding all the fields, build the table. Now the table is built. So right click on the table, open and maximize button. And here click the add button and here give the register number 1 and the name as A, physics as 80, chemistry as 90 and max as 99. So click update. Now one record has been successfully added the database file. If you want to add more, then you can give, otherwise you can close. Also close. So the database has been created. So how you will connect to these forms? To connect this form, so you want to give the ADODC control. So that's why we are using ADODC control to connect the database and the application. So here project and components, in components Microsoft ADODC control. See, and click apply and close. The ADODC control has been here created. So drag and drop it. To connect the ADODC control and the database, you need data source. It means that it's like a broker. So the thing you can do it, go to start control panel, in here administrative tools, ODBC. In here you want to give Microsoft Access driver add, and here driver do Microsoft Access MDB. So here just give um, I am giving the data source name as new card simply. Okay, and select the database file. So where I save the database to my index tab. What name I saved? New db.md. You guys can observe it. New db.md. That thing only I saved. What we created the database name, it will new db.md, and click OK. Now after click this OK, and what is your data source name we given here? New guard. See, it is here. Click on it and click OK. Now the broker is ready, and our control is ready, and the database we created, and the final thing is you want to connect the text boxes to that Microsoft Access database. So data source will be ADODC, and the data field will be before going to here, you want to configure ADODC properties. Use ODBC data source name under the general tab. Okay, here new card, that is our data source name, and record source you want to go to and cn, and here what is our table name? New table. Okay, and click it. Okay, fine, you can understand general tab record source. Okay, and click OK. Now click each and every text boxes and link with ADODC, and data field as register number, and name for all the things you want to add like this according to the that field. You want to add like this for all the numbers. Actually I added all the properties for all the text boxes. See, in all the text boxes we added like that. How we were creating the database, we didn't add cutoff. Here also no need to give anything. So all the properties has been set. Now each and every button you want to insert the code. Double click on the button and insert the code. We are using the ADA control, so ADODC1 ADA dot record set dot first button is add new. So you want to click add new like that. For every button you want to give the coding. For delete, same thing. See, copy and paste it. Dot delete like that. You want to give for the coding for all the buttons. Your coding will be, I think it will be with you guys. Now I entered the coding for all the command buttons. See, add, update, move, next, move, first, and all the codings I have been entered. Now save the project as new ADODC something, save dg something. If source code control is as, just give us no. Now we successfully created the form and database, and Ada control and given every code for the button. So save the project and run it. See, whatever previously I given that while creating the 1AA90 and the thing is appear. If you want to calculate cutoff, then click cutoff. So the cutoff is calculated. If you want to check availability that this candidate is eligible, check availability. It says it's not eligible because the cutoff is very low, like that. Okay. Then, for example, if you want to see add any new data to database, click new and enter the details. Is number 2b physics 40 and this is 10, this is 10. Okay, click cutoff, this cutoff, check availability, it's eligible. That's it. Okay, update it. Like that, each and every record will get updated. So if you want to see the first record, click the first. Some technical debug is happen, is nothing but it's okay, fine. That's all guys, this is the final output. I hope this section will be useful to you, and thank you guys. See you again in next session.